Please scan this QR code to be able to access the Observations app from your mobile device. Hello, and welcome to the John Burns Construction Company tutorial on how to conduct a safety observation through the HCSS Field app. The first thing you will need to do to conduct a safety observation is to click on the Observations icon on the top right hand of the screen. After clicking, you will be greeted with this screen. Please make sure that the date and time are correct and the job number is also correct. To change the job number, just click on the name and scroll down to the correct job number. Make sure the date and time are also correct. You will then input your first and last name, your email address, and then you will decide if this is a positive or a negative observation. If this is a positive observation, just click on positive and briefly describe what you saw. If this is a negative observation, click on the negative word. Then rate this observation on a scale of 0 to 5, 0 being low risk and 5 being high risk. Not only will you describe what you have seen, you will also put a corrective action that you use to mitigate against this hazard. Next, we will be moving on to the type. To input the type, just click on this icon right here. What type best fits this observation? You will then select the type of observation this is from the drop-down menu. You will then decide if this is an unsafe act or an unsafe condition. An unsafe act is a worker not wearing their PPE, while unsafe condition could be an act of God, like the weather. You will then also input the foreman. And then lastly, you will then upload 15 pictures. After you have completed all of these steps, you will click send, and then click send now. You have just sent an observation.